Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to add friends on Steam for free. Follow these easy steps to add unlimited friends on your Steam account for free. First of all, make sure to sign into your Steam account. And now, click on your name and click on Friends. Here you will get your friend list. To add a new friend, you can click here or you can click here. Once you are in Add a Friend page, here you will get your friend code. Here you will get total 3 methods to add someone as your friend on your Steam. So here we can see your friend code. You can copy this friend code and then send this code to your friend via SMS and your friend will be able to easily add you or find you using this friend code from their Add Friend page. And if you have someone friend code and now you want to add them to your friend list, all you have to need just enter here the friend code. Now scroll down. If you want to search someone using their name, all you have to need just enter here your friend's profile name and click on the search icon, and here you will get lots of profiles. All you have to need just search for the exact profile whom you want to add as your friend. Then you have to click on add as friend and the request will be sent. I'm going back from here to show you another method to add friend. Here you will get a link. Generate a link to share via email or SMS. You and your friends will be instantly connected when they accept. So you can copy this invite link to invite your friend via SMS, via WhatsApp, email or Discord, and using this link, anyone will be able to instantly connect it with you on Steam. This is how we can add friends on Steam for free. If this video helped you out, leave a like and leave a comment down below. And make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.